Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. So, right now, I am going to talk about that the market booming technology that is Monstack. Okay, in my previous videos, you have seen that in PCS Global, we are providing the live session in live classes in Monstack. So today I'm going to explain it. What is Monstack? So let's get started, guys. So Mon stands for MongoDB, Express, React, Node. After the four key technologies that make up the stack. So MongoDB. What is MongoDB? MongoDB is actually document database. Express, Node.js web framework. React, a client-side JavaScript framework, Node.js, the, the premier JavaScript web server. So Express and Node make up the middle application tier. Okay, Express.js is a server-side web framework, and Node.js is the popular and powerful JavaScript server platform. Regardless of which variant you choose, MERN is the ideal approach to working in JavaScript and JSON. Okay, so how does the MERN stack work? Right now, I'm going to explain it to you. So the MERN architecture allows you to easily construct a three-tier architecture: the front end, the back end, and the database, entirely using JavaScript and JSON. Okay, so React.js, the front end. The top tier of the MERN stack is React.js, the declarative JavaScript framework for creating dynamic client-side applications in HTML. React lets you build up complex interfaces through simple components, connect them to data on your backend server, and render them as HTML. React strong suite in handling stateful data-driven interfaces with minimal code and minimal pain. So, and it has the bells and whistles you are expect from a modern web framework. Great support for forms, error handling, events, lists, and more. So Express.js and Node.js server tier. The next level down is the Express.js server-side framework running inside a Node.js server. Express.js builds itself as a fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework for Node.js. And that is indeed exactly what it is. Express.js has powerful models for URL routing, matching an incoming URL with a server function, and handling HTTP request and response. By making XML HTTP requests or get or posts from your React.js front end, you can connect to Express.js functions that power your application. Those functions in turn use MongoDB, Node.js, okay, drivers either via callbacks or using promises to access and update data in your MongoDB database. So MongoDB database tier, if your application stores any data, user profiles, content, comments, uploads, events, etc., then you are going to want a database that just as easy to work with as React, Express, and Node. That's where MongoDB comes in. JSON documents created in your React front end can be sent to the Express.js server, where they can be processed and assuming they are valid, okay, stored directly in MongoDB for later retrieval. Again, if you building in the cloud, you want to look at Atlas. If you are looking to set up your own monster, read on. Okay, so is MERN a full stack solution? What do you think, guys? Yes, MERN is a full stack solution. Following the traditional three-tier architectural pattern, including the front end, display tier, application tier, and the express.json, Node.js, and database tier. Okay, so why choose the MERN stack? Let's start with MongoDB. The document database at the root of the MERN stack. MongoDB was designed to store JSON data natively, and everything from its command line interface to its query language is built on JSON and JavaScript. MongoDB works extremely well with Node.js and makes storing, manipulating, and representing JSON data at every tier of your application incredibly easy. For cloud native applications, MongoDB Atlas makes it even easier by giving you an auto scaling MongoDB cluster on the cloud provider of your choice, as easy as a few button clicks. So Express.js and React.js make the JavaScript JSON application mon full stack well full. Express.js is a server-side application framework that wraps HTTP requests and response and makes it easy to map Java URLs to server-side functions. React is a front-end JavaScript framework for building interactive user interfaces in HTML and communicating with a remote server. The communication and the combination means that JSON data flows naturally from front end to back, making it fast to build on and reasonably simple to debug. Okay, plus you only have to know one programming language and the JSON document structure to understand the whole system. MERN is the stack of choice for today's web developers looking to move quickly, particularly for those with React.js experience. So MERN user cases, like any stack, you can build whatever you want in MERN, though it's ideally suited for cases that are JSON heavy, cloud native, and that have dynamic web interfaces. Examples including workflow management, new aggregation, to-do apps and calendars, and interactive forums, social products, and whatever else you can dream of. So guys, if you are interested to start your journey with Monstack, kindly don't waste time. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in Monstack, and Monstack is the market booming technology right now. So if you have that interest, you wanted to grow as a Monstack developer, so you need to start from now. Okay, so our free training sessions are going on, our free internship sessions are going on. We are providing the training in other technologies also, in Java full stack development, in Salesforce full stack development, in Java DevOps, in Python. So if you are interested to start, kindly don't waste time, communicate with us, get the proper knowledge. And if there is any query in your mind that if I'm able to do coding or not, for that reason, kindly join the free internship sessions. From that free internship sessions, you will get that knowledge that whatever query you have, either I am able to do as a software developer or not, you can get the proper answer from it. And in PCS Global, every Sunday from 12 p.m. we are providing a live session in Monstack. You can go through that live session, you can get the prior knowledge about Monstack technology. Okay, and after having that, if you wanted to get the certification about that course, then you need to communicate with us, you need to enroll yourself in our courses and get that certificate from our site. After the training duration of Monstack technology is 2 months. Okay, and it will be a live project based training. So kindly communicate and do the best of you. Okay, so last but not the least, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment.